This question is based on the application of Pythagoras theorem. In this question, ABCD is a square of sides 7 centimeter. EFGH are the 4 points on these 4 respective sides such that AE, FC, GC and HA are 3 centimeter each. We have to prove EFGH is a rectangle, and we have to find out the perimeter and the area of this rectangle. So we have to join EFGH. Let us join. We have to prove EFGH is a rectangle, and we have to find out the perimeter and the area of this rectangle. Given ABCD is a square of sides 7 centimeter each. Also AE is equal to FC is equal to CG is equal to HA is equal to 3 centimeter. To prove EFGH is a rectangle and to determine the perimeter and the area of EFGH. To prove EFGH is a rectangle, we need to remember the characteristics of one rectangle. One rectangle has its opposite sides equal, or these two opposite sides are equal. So we have to prove FG is equal to EH or HG is equal to EF. Also each interior angle is 90 degree. First we will prove FG is equal to HE or EF is equal to GH. Some other characteristics are also there. We will not try to satisfy those characteristics. We will concentrate on these two characteristics. That will be sufficient for us. What we have now, since this is 3 and the entire length is 7, so the remaining length is 4. Let us write. That will help us. There are 4 triangles you can see: AEH, EBF, GCF and DGH. Each of these triangle is a right angle triangle, of which 2 sides are given. Since this angle is right angle, so this side is the hypotenuse. If we apply Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the length of this side. Also these 2 triangles are identical. If you find out the length of EH, that will be equal to length of GF. So these 2 sides will be equal. Let us try to find out. In triangle AEH, EH square is equal to AH square plus AE square. Write the measures of AH and AE. 3 square plus 3 square, that is 2 multiplied by 3 square, or EH is equal to square root under 2 multiplied by 3 square, so 3 root 2 centimeter. The same happens here also. In triangle GCF, GF is equal to square root under 3 square plus 3 square, that is 3 root 2 centimeter. Therefore EH is equal to GF. So one pair of opposite side is equal. Now come to these 2 triangles. In triangle DGH, GH is equal to square root under 4 square plus 4 square. This angle is right angle, so its opposite side is the hypotenuse. This will be 4 root 2 centimeter. Similarly, in triangle EBF, EF is square root under 4 square plus 4 square, again 4 root 2 centimeter by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle EBF, EB is equal to FB. Therefore, their opposite angles, EB's opposite angle EFB, angle EFB is equal to angle BEF. In any right angle triangle, the sum of the two acute angles is always 90 degree. You can write it as angle EFB plus angle BEF is equal to 90 degree. And since these two are equal, or in place of BEF we can write EFB again 90 degrees, or twice angle EFB is equal to 90 degrees, or angle EFB is equal to 90 degrees divided by 2, 45 degrees, which is equal to BEF. These two angles are 45 degree each. This is 45, that is also 45. Similarly, in triangles GCF, DGH and AEH respectively, angle GFC is equal to angle CGF this angle is 45. The sum of these three angles is 180 degrees because this entire angle is a straight angle, whereas these two angles, these two parts are 45 degree each, therefore the remaining part is 90 degree. Let us write on the board. Angle EFB plus angle EFG plus angle GFC is equal to 180. This is a straight angle. Whereas these two angles are 45 degree each. Put the values. 45 degrees plus EFG, what we are going to find out, plus 45 degrees is equal to 180, or angle EFG is equal to 180 minus 90, 45 degree plus 45 degree, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is 90 degree because these two are 45 degrees. These two are 45 degrees, so this angle is also 90 degrees. Let us write. Similarly, angle FGH is equal to angle EHG is equal to angle FEH is equal to 90 degrees. So all the interior angles are 90 degree each. Therefore, in the quadrilateral EFGH, opposite sides are equal and each interior angle is 90 degree. That means EFGH is a rectangle. So number 1 is proved. Now come to second part. Second part has become easier. Perimeter is equal to twice multiplied by the sum of the adjacent sides. 4 root 2 plus 3 root 2, what we commonly say as the sum of length and breadth. So it is 2 multiplied by 7 root 2, 14 root 2 centimeter, and area product of the adjacent sides 3 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 2 square centimeter, or it is 12 multiplied by 2, 24 square centimeter.